Experience this Georgia house with its seamless flow between living, dining, and outdoor spaces, perfect for entertaining. Set on 10 fully fenced acres, this property offers unmatched privacy and endless opportunities for a mini farm, horses, or simply enjoying the serene surroundings. Cabinets, countertops, stainless steel appliances, a pantry, breakfast bar, and dining area, creating a space where cooking and gathering with family is a joy. Adjacent to the kitchen, the living room offers a warm and inviting atmosphere with a wood-burning stove, built-in bookcases, and luxury vinyl plank flooring that combines style with durability. The main level primary bedroom is spacious and flooded with natural light, offering an attached office or sitting area perfect for work or relaxation. Upstairs, two additional bedrooms provide generous closet space and flexibility for family, guests, or a hobby area. The updated main bathroom features modern finishes, including a sleek vanity and contemporary lighting, adding a touch of elegance throughout. Outside, the covered side porch invites you to enjoy morning coffee or evening sunsets, while the carport adds convenience and additional storage. The land surrounding the home is fully fenced, providing security for pets, livestock, or gardens, and giving you the freedom to enjoy outdoor activities in privacy. Additional updates include a 2-year-old HVAC system and new windows throughout, ensuring comfort and energy efficiency. Whether you're looking to start a mini farm, keep horses, or simply enjoy peaceful country living, this property offers the perfect balance of functionality and charm. Located just minutes from Albany, this Georgia house combines the quiet of rural living with easy access to everyday amenities. With USDA financing eligibility and move-in condition, it's a rare opportunity to own a home with space, privacy, and character. Schedule your private showing today and make this property your own.